I think I have the solution for the Nissan 370Z base model radio audio connection. As most of you know, if you have a Nissan 370Z, you have to plug the iPhone, Android into the USB port to get it to play through the radio. This little device here, we should be able to get it played through auxiliary. This is a Monster Bluetooth audio receiver kit, sold at Walmart, $19.99. As long as this fits in the glove box or in the center console, we should be good. Now, according to the instructions here, you can use your virtual assistant. Hey Siri, play my favorite road trip music. Looks like it comes with 3 adapters, so it's going to have to be powered. It probably stays charged because it does not show a plug on the book. So we're going to use one of these probably to power it up. Let's get it out of the box, plug it in, and see what it does. We've got audio cables. This is made for a home audio system too, if you wanted to stream into it. That's a plug for the inside the house, and then obviously a cigarette lighter plug for inside the car. And take our actual device and some directions. Now the wire it comes with, it looks like you've got a 3.5 millimeter straight plug. This would probably work in a regular dashboard radio if the auxiliary was plugged into the dashboard. The Nissan 370Z, it's actually in the center console. So it looks like this little guy here is what we want to use, because that'll give us some flexibility to put it down in the console. And these are your ones for your home, 3.5 into your regular radio, and that's your charging cable. Let's do the cable we're going to use, which is just a 3.5 to 3.5. Pop that in this side. So it has a power on button, pairing button. So that's your power on, it's in pairing mode now. Go to my phone while it's pairing. Bluetooth. Monster MAB, and we're now connected. Okay, now looking down in here, there's my auxiliary port, there's my regular USB port. I'm going to leave this out. I'm actually going to use the lighter, so I'm going to plug the lighter into here. Now unfortunately my lighter is a key on this car, but it should keep this charged in between driving long enough that it should never die. I'm going to leave this open for my iPhone to plug in, so if I do want to run it through the car. And then our 3.5 is going to plug into the auxiliary port, like so. And then this is our USB port. Plug into the bottom or top one, whichever you want. And again, you can use the one that goes into the car. Surround on this left-handed and upside down. Okay. And then this one goes into the top of our device. And I'm going to cheat and put the camera down. Okay, so I've plugged our device into the auxiliary. So I'm going to take our car, I'm going to turn the key on. We're going to turn it to on position. So we've got power, our Bluetooth's already connected because I already connected it. Power on my radio. I have to mute it to keep from getting kicked off of YouTube. I'm going to push auxiliary. I'm going to go into my Amazon Music. Pick an artist. And definitely playing through the speakers now. Now my volume is down low. So the volume on your phone is going to have to be turned up. Again, I'm going to try to do this without getting banned. Slipknot might not ban me. So I'm now on my 370Z. Audio's playing, and I'm streaming without having to connect it to the car using the auxiliary port. Fits in the console with the console closed. Plenty of room, still enough room to put a couple things in there.